moving on to the safety instructions. We have lots planned out for this evening, but good fun is also supposed to be safe fun. So I would like to advise the first slide will show you the fire escape route to reach the nearest assembly points for any emergency. The second slide will show you venues of the first aid arrangements. And the third slide will give you venues of the firefighting system and emergency contact arrangement. If any of you have any questions, please feel free to contact any of the staff members on the sides of the stage. We will be able to help you with the same instructions again.
Wow, that was really great. I was actually thinking if I should mention this and all. There's a little bagpiping there, wasn't there? Did you like that? I got that Scottish bit at the start of the night. That was fantastic, guys, and I would like all of you to make some noise and give it a big round of applause. Everybody, hands together. Lovely, lovely performance. That is the heritage of this country where we live year after year and enjoy their food. We make fun of their accent, but we like to copy it. It's beautiful.
Let's have a spot prize for the ladies, please.
A spot prize?
Yeah.
Why is everything about the ladies? I don't get it. I mean, I would love to be in the audience at this point.
Because the men are winning a lot of prizes out there.
What kind of liquid prizes is that?
Liquid prizes.
Liquid prizes at the bar. Okay, fabulous. What shall we do for a spot prize for the ladies?
You know the best.
Let's say it's holiday season and I'm seeing red and green everywhere. So is there a lady who's wearing red and green today? The Christmas colors. Where? Please come up to stage. The first one to reach me, please. But don't push each other, like don't knuckle each other. Woo! There she is. Oh my God, there's a race. What's protocol in this case?
What did we ask?
Red and green.
Red
First
and
lady
green.
to reach me wearing red and green.
Can we have a judge?
I'm going to say
here?
good evening for the third time again, but it's never bad to be polite. Okay, guys, that was all the formal things that we had to get done with. Thank you, Wenki, and thank you, other board members. Thank you, organizing committee. Thank you for making the bar open, finally, so we can have some fun now. Please make some noise. Khan Sahib, girls and boys. Great. Really good spirit, but let me quickly run you through the activities we have for tonight. Kids, don't get bored. Don't stick around your mom and dad. Go to that corner. Make that Michigan crazy. Get your faces painted. Run around. Make some noise. Boys, obviously the bar is open now, so have fun there. But please come around this side with your drinks and your snacks. And ladies, I have something very interesting for you this evening. I don't want to just stand here and talk your ears out. So, ladies, we're going to have our staff come to your table with papers which has a little bit of a quiz on it. And whoever finishes this quiz as quickly as possible with the most amount of correct answers and brings it to me has a really, really, really good chance of winning. The first prize, no, let me start from the bottom so it builds a bit of a suspense. The third prize is a Samsung S3 Mini. That's fine.
Wow.
I have a Samsung, so you can have that.
Is it for ladies or gents?
It's only for the ladies. It's
Okay.
only for the ladies. So it's your night, actually. The second prize is 5 grams of gold, which I would like.
Wow. 5
and
grams
the
gold.
first prize...
Before we make the announcement for the next, what they're going to win, do we have the ladies here, please?
First is 10 grams of gold, courtesy Khan Sahib. Thank you,
Wow,
staff.
wow.
Fabulous.
Now, you know what? We forgot that once you finish, we have a counter right there. So we're going to have volunteers take the paper from you, and we're going to do the corrections over there so that you can win. Is it 10 or 20?
Oh my God.
10,
Is it 20?
10
Let's
for
not
now.
announce it. No, it's 10, 5, and a Samsung. So ladies, get your phones out. I don't think that's cheating. No one is going to check. Get your quiz as fast as possible, as correct as possible. Head down to the gifts table right there. We have volunteers who are going to collect the forms from you, and we will inform you of the winner towards the end of the evening. Okay, moving on. Moving on from the quiz. Now take a little bit of a break, get your glasses full, get your snacks on. We have next, coming on stage, the Dubke performance for this evening. Big round of applause, guys. Put your hands together for a Dubke performance.
The ladies' quiz. What was the prize? Somebody winning some gold coins or something, right?
Yes.
Wow.
The first prize
Is
was
a
10 grams gold. The second was 5 grams gold, and the third was a Samsung S3 Mini. I have the winners here in my hands. Ladies, are you ready for this? The third prize, Roshna Sabina, you are the lucky winner of a Samsung S3 Mini. Please come up on stage very quickly. Big round of applause, guys. She just won herself a Samsung S3 Mini. Fabulous.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands for the third place, please. Congratulations. And what has she won?
Samsung S3 Mini.
Wow.
Fabulous, guys. Big round of applause. The second winner of a 5 grams gold for the ladies quiz is...
Clap your hands, ladies and gentlemen.
Big round of applause for Suma. Please come up on stage and claim your 5 grams gold for the ladies quiz contest.
Suma is not here.
All right, let's move on and then she can
Is she here? Suma is here? She's running like
That's
PT
okay.
Usha.
We have someone to collect it on behalf of Suma.
She's coming.
Which is perfectly fine. Oh, there she is.
Can we call all the organizing committees on stage,
like
please?
Gold. Big round of applause for Suma, lucky winner of 5 grams gold.
And
for
the
the
winner.
ladies quiz.
The winner. How many grams gold?
10 grams gold.
10.
This time.
Wow.
Take it. I want to take Apple it. iPad Mini.
And they're going to spoil the
Who's going
kids.
to do the honors?
Spoiling all the kids, yeah. The next one. The second place.
For second place, we are giving away a Samsung Galaxy Note 4.
Wow.
Samsung Galaxy Note 4.
Wow. And finally,
the bumper prize. The bumper prize, a 55-inch Full HD Samsung TV